It's January 8th, 2016. More rain. I think it'd be an understatement at this point if I said I was getting a little bit sick of the rain. It's been raining for 2 days straight for the most part. It's got the temperature down a good 20 degrees of what it was on average before. Really, the only thing to show is this ominous looking cloud is looming in the sky. Let's go see if the mountains still have snow on it. See if there's ever snow on the mountain here. It's only there for a day. It's like, if you ski or snowboard, you better get up there quick or it'll all be gone. It is gone. It's funny. I think it actually might be snowing over on one half of the mountain, and the other half, it's all gone. Never seen that before. Yep, just clouds, more clouds. I kind of want to see what's going on the other side of that mountain. Stupid tree in the way. Yeah, if it clears up or something, I'll set the other camera up, but at this point there's really no point. Actually, I guess I'll get a time lapse of the clouds clearing out because it's supposed to clear out today. Be back to clear, quote unquote, skies tomorrow. Probably chemtrailed out. And I want to show you guys the mountain over here too, because it's one of those days where you can make out that there's actually houses down there, not just pollution, you know, chemtrail debris. Yep, if I see anything else, I'll upload a video.